Hey guys, it's been a while, but over the past year I've been rebuilding the engine from excavator. So we're getting ready to install it over this Christmas weekend. So last thing I have to do, basically before we start bolting stuff together, is I have to paint this adapter housing. The rest of the engine is already painted, but I figured I would show you guys the painting of this, just to kind of show you how I did the rest. So come with me. Okay, the paint I'm using is Sunburst Yellow Rust-Oleum, just for anyone who's interested. This is not Komatsu Yellow. I'm just painting the engine with this, so it will look a little different than other stuff, but I don't really like the color, but it's what I started painting with, and it's just the engine, so it'll work fine. I'm using Magic Catalyst Hardener and acetone to thin it, and then I'm spraying it with a cheap Harbor Freight spray gun. It's oil-based paint. So typically, I don't actually keep my spray guns more than 3 or 4 uses. I just throw them away because I hate cleaning them so much. Oops. Now, I'm going to use a syringe to mix up just one small batch. And I'm just going to mix it right in the gun. So, there's one. So, one full syringe of that. A little bit of that. Now, I'm going to pour this in my hand because I can't get a syringe in there as easily. Okay. Now I'm just going to mix it up. Make a mess. Alright, so now I'm going to put the top on. Okay, so let's see how well this paints. Guys, first coat's on. I'm not going to clean the gun yet, so I'm going to wait an hour with the heater running on this part just to see if I can get the flash off, and then I'm going to spray it with the second coat, and then I'll move it inside to my office where it can dry in warm temperatures. But that's it for the moment, so I'll start filming again once we're ready for the second coat.
The Christmas tree's on fire, Santa's holding the lighter, my parents are both liars, I got gifts but 1 subscriber. Thanks for the candy basket, oh got another jacket, my stocking's filled with acid, am I dreaming, what just happened? This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song, this is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song, this is not a Christmas.
So, finished with that second coat. Looks okay. Happy enough with it. Again, I don't love this color. It's really bright yellow. Looks like the camera is doing it justice for once. It's not that color. But it's the engine. It'll get grimy. It'll get dirty. It'll tone down. So, this is done. I'm going to move this into my office. And then, hopefully later today, I'll get the engine set in place. Might be tomorrow. And we'll go from there. So, thanks for coming along, guys. And I'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, so just getting ready to go to my engine rebuilders and pick up the engine, but I thought I'd show you the rigging that I got going on here. Again, this is wrong. Don't do this. This is stupid. No, with that out of the way. Don't try this at home, kids. So I have a bunch of random scaffolding around reasons, but I figured it's pretty strong material, so I put a piece of scaffolding. It's got this hook on the end. I got the hook locked in the crack on the 4-in-1 bucket, and then I clamped down in the hook, so this can't move out. And then just for some quick support, I put a strap around here and then locked it down there to hold this board up, or this plank up. Then I have a long ratchet strap coming from all the way over here, all the way down here to right here, kind of triangulating and supporting this beam. Then over that, I got a chain fall with a the strap, chain fall hooked up. I've done no engineering on this. I don't know if this will work, but I'm pretty sure it will. The engine's not that heavy, and that strap will hold a lot of weight. So this is how I'm gonna pick it up. So thought I'd show you that before it cut to me using it. So if I immediately drop it, then you might not see this video.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
Okay guys, engine's in. That's where I'm going to stop for the moment. So I'll pick up filming in a bit. Thanks for coming along for the moment, and you'll see me once I cut this and add it in, and there won't be a pause. Bye. Ah!